Goji berries, touted as a Himalayan superfood, an ancient longevity secret, and especially a miracle for your eyes. But is the hype real? Are these little red berries truly packed with vision-boosting power, or is it just clever marketing? Today, we're diving deep into the truth about goji berries. We'll uncover the science behind their antioxidants, explore their real benefits for eye health, and reveal the ancient wisdom that's kept them revered for thousands of years. Get ready to separate fact from fiction. Long before they hit trendy smoothie bowls, goji berries or guqi zi were a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. Ancient texts praised them for nourishing the liver and kidney essence systems deeply connected to vitality and, you guessed it, eye health in TCM philosophy. They were believed to brighten the eyes and promote longevity. This ancient wisdom wasn't just folklore, it was based on centuries of observation. But what does modern science say about these claims? Goji berries are undeniably packed with nutrients. Their bright red color screams antioxidants. Specifically, they're one of the richest natural sources of zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin, along with lutein, is a superstar carotenoid that concentrates in your macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. Studies do show that getting enough dietary zeaxanthin and lutein is crucial for protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Research like, AREDS 2 or similar studies supports this. They also boast vitamin C and A, minerals, and polysaccharides with immune-modulating potential. Their ORAC score, which is a measure of antioxidant power, is impressive. But okay, so here's the crucial truth we need to unpack. When it comes to eye health, while goji berries are an excellent source of eye-protective zeaxanthin, they are definitely not a magic cure for eye diseases. Eating them won't reverse existing age-related macular degeneration or cure cataracts overnight. Instead, they are a powerful preventative dietary component, part of a broader strategy that includes leafy greens, other colorful fruits and veggies, sunglasses, and regular eye checkups. So, think nourishment and protection, not miracle cure. Beyond all the hype, claims about goji berries being a cure-all for cancer, diabetes, or dramatically boosting libido are vastly overstated, or just lack strong human clinical evidence. Honestly, much of the research is still preliminary, like in test tubes or animals, or just based on traditional use, not large-scale human trials. Their real strength? It's in their nutrient density and antioxidant profile as part of a healthy diet. So, how can you actually enjoy goji berries? They're super versatile. You can add dried ones to yogurt, oatmeal, baked goods, trail mix, or even steep them in tea. There are juices and supplements out there, but definitely watch for added sugar. Now here's a critical caution. Goji berries can interact with certain medications. If you take blood thinners, like warfarin, diabetes medication, or blood pressure drugs, you really need to talk to your doctor before adding goji berries or supplements regularly. They might also cause digestive upset in some people, so start small. And just to be clear, this is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider. The truth? Goji berries are a genuinely nutrient-dense ancient superfood, and they're particularly valuable as one of nature's best sources of vision-protecting zeaxanthin. They offer powerful antioxidants and a fascinating link to traditional wisdom. But honestly, they're not a miracle cure. Enjoy them as a delicious and healthy part of a balanced diet for their proven benefits, especially eye health support, while being mindful of the hype and potential interactions. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, nourish wisely.